Welcome to AI Scope, where we take a closer look at the smartest AI tools on the market. I test them, break them down, and show you what's actually worth your time and money. No hype, just real insights. Let's zoom in. What happens if you let AI run an entire online business, not just writing text? I'm talking research, content creation, emails, customer support, automation, even marketing. So for the past few days, I tested whether AI tools can actually replace real workflows inside an online business. And honestly, some parts worked way better than I expected. Everyone keeps talking about AI, but most people still use it like a chatbot. Meanwhile, some creators and businesses are already building full AI-powered systems that automate hours of work every single day. So in this video, I'm going to show you the AI tools I used, the workflows I automated, what actually worked, what completely failed, and whether AI can realistically run an online business in 2026. The goal was simple: build a workflow where AI handles as much work as possible automatically. So I connected multiple AI tools together for research, script writing, content ideas, email management, task automation, and social media content. Basically, instead of using one AI chatbot, I built an AI team. And honestly, this is where things start getting crazy. Because once these tools are connected together, they become much more powerful. First, I tested content creation. I asked AI to find trending topics, generate hooks, write scripts, create thumbnail ideas, and generate social posts. And surprisingly, the workflow was actually good. The AI found trending topics faster than manual research, generated decent video structures, and even suggested titles with strong click potential. Now obviously the scripts still needed human editing, but instead of starting from zero, AI handled around 70% of the work automatically. That's a massive time saver for creators. Next, I tested email automation. This part was honestly one of the most useful. The AI system categorized the incoming emails, highlighted sponsorship offers, drafted replies, summarized conversations, and organized priorities automatically. For creators or businesses dealing with lots of emails daily, this alone can save hours every week. But I noticed something important. AI is good at handling repetitive communication, but not high-level negotiation. Some replies still sounded too robotic, especially for business deals, so I still think humans should handle important conversations manually. Now this was the craziest part. I tested AI agents that can actually perform actions on a computer, not just answer questions. I'm talking about AI that can open websites, navigate dashboards, fill forms, organize files, and complete tasks automatically. Watching AI move the mouse and operate software by itself honestly felt futuristic, but also slightly scary, because once these systems improve, a lot of repetitive online jobs could be heavily automated, and we're still very early. Now, despite all the hype, AI automation is not perfect yet. Here are the biggest problems I noticed. 1. Mistakes. Sometimes AI agents misunderstand instructions and break workflows. 2. Lack of human judgment. AI still struggles with nuance, branding, emotion, and complex decisions. 3. Reliability. Some automations fail randomly, especially when websites change layouts. So no, AI cannot fully replace humans yet, but it absolutely can reduce a huge amount of repetitive work. So after testing everything, can AI run an online business completely alone? Not yet. But can AI massively increase productivity? 100%. The biggest lesson I learned is this: people who learn AI automation early will have a huge advantage over everyone else. Because the future isn't just using AI, it's building systems where AI tools work together automatically. And honestly, that future is arriving much faster than most people realize. So comment below, what business workflow would you automate with AI? And if you want, I can make a part 2 where I try building a fully automated AI content business from scratch. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.